GSFC University.
Hello, good morning, sir.
We are here for getting an admission in the industrial chemistry courses. But before that, we would like to know about the courses, like what is this course is all about.
Okay, so BSc Industrial Chemistry course is having blend of chemical engineering and chemistry. So in the curriculum, about 60% of the course is based on the knowledge of chemistry, in which the student will be learning about the fundamentals of chemistry, like organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, inorganic, as well as physical chemistry. And the rest of 40% of curriculum is based on the chemical engineering, where students will learn the unit operations, mass transfer operations, heat exchangers, all that kind of things, which are useful in the industry. So the idea behind this course is that to make students ready for the placements in chemical and allied industries, as Vadodara is industrial hub, right? So whatever the vacancies are coming in the industry, for those vacancies we are making students ready. So the curriculum structure is that there are 6 semesters, total 3 years duration of this course is. So there will be 6 semesters and total 146 credits are there for the entire course. So there will be papers for the ability enhancement, then skill enhancement, as well as core courses which are based on the chemistry as well as chemical engineering, as well as we are offering them discipline specific electives also for the development of in the other areas of chemistry.
So, what is the status of this GSFC University as far as affiliation is concerned, and what about this course? Is it a recognized course?
Yes, this course is recognized by UGC. So all over India, very other universities, so private universities are also offering the same course, BSc Industrial Chemistry. But the USP, you can say, for the GSFC University is that we are offering the industrial internship at the end of each semester. So the students will get chance to learn about all the chemical processes as well as engineering processes which you will be learning during the theory, right, during the entire semester. After that, they will go in the industry and they will acquire the practical knowledge regarding that. They will be able to see how the things are getting worked in the industry. So that is the USP of our GSFC University.
After every semester,
Yes,
student will go to the
after
industry.
every semester, we offer industrial internships for the student. And as you asked, that the GSFC University is the private university which is recognized by the government of Gujarat. It is founded by the second amendment of Gujarat Private Universities 2009 and further amended in 2014. So it is well recognized private university and also recognized by UGC. You can see our university's name on the UGC website also, which is recognized under the private universities. So UGC has provided university right to award degrees, and our students which have passed GSFC University at the graduate as well as post-graduation level, they are having placements as well as further opportunities in all over the India as well as abroad. So there is no issue regarding the authenticity of the degree which is awarded by GSFC University.
Very well, sir. I just want to know what is the process for getting admission in GSFC University?
Yes. At BSc level, the admission will be offered on the basis of 12th standard. So whatever the percentages you have scored in the 12th, based on that, and as per our admission policy which is available on the university website, so according to that the admission will be given to you, and there is also provision of admission competitive test. So the details for those are on the website. You can refer them.
So, is there any sports facility available?
Yes, sports facilities are available at university campus. We have badminton course, golf course, as well as cricket and swimming, and various other gym facilities also are available on the university campus itself. And if you want to get enrolled in some coaching or training program, then also there is provisions for that which is governed by the GSFC Limited also.
So actually we are from the outside of the Baroda. So are there any hostel facilities available?
Yes. Hostel facilities
yes.
are available on the campus. We have dedicated hostel for the boys as well as girls.
So what about the canteen facilities?
Yeah, canteen facilities, messing facilities is there in the boys hostel as well as girls hostel. So you can have advantage of mess facility at the nominal charges.
Okay.
And what about safety of girls?
Yes,
Yeah.
so we are very much concerned regarding the safety of our female students, and for that we have dedicated warden as well as security facilities at the campus also. So entire GSFC University campus as well as GSFC Limited is governed by the well-trained security officers. So there is no issue regarding the safety of females on this campus.
Okay.
Campus is pretty much safe for female students.
So this is all about the industrial chemistry. So what are the laboratory facilities? What kind of labs that you will be using while running this course?
As I said, this course is a blend of chemistry as well as chemical engineering. So we have well-equipped labs for both. For chemistry, we have 5 new chemistry labs at our new lab building, which is very much advanced, and those labs are well equipped with glassware, chemicals as well as instruments. And for the chemical engineering aspect, we'll be sharing the labs of School of Technology, where we have BTech chemical program. So their labs will be also useful for the BSc Industrial Chemistry graduates. So in those labs, students will be learning about mass transfer operations, heat transfer operations, size reductions, those kind of practicals, and the instruments which are used for those practicals are there in our School of Technology labs. And for the chemistry based practicals, organic as well as inorganic qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, for that we have newly developed labs for that.
Are there any safety measures that has been taken?
Yes, because we know that during the chemical experiments, the accidents are bound to happen. So for that we have safety measurements at the lab also, where students will be provided for the safety gears, as well as, God forbid, if some accident is happening, some chemical spillage is there, then also we have on the campus medical facilities. Medical center is there just beside of our School of Technology building. So for the medical attention, students can always go into our medical center and avail the facilities. That is completely
so there is a
free
medical
for
facility for students also?
Yes, student also, and that is situated in the campus itself. So student don't need to rush very far for that.
So during this pandemic, what are the teaching methodologies used by?
Yes,
our
in this
university?
COVID pandemic, as the on-campus teaching was forbidden, so we have shifted our entire teaching process on the Google. So Google, the faculties were taking lectures from the Google Meet platform, as you know, and we are also using other Google facilities like Google Classroom for conducting the exams, as well as we have shifted from the on-campus student internship to online student internship, where we have acquired industrial mentors, and one faculty will be there. So both industrial mentor as well as faculty will monitor the students' progress on the particular internship subject. So entire teaching was shifted to the online mode. Right now also we are continuing that, and if the things are improving, then we'll again shift back to on-campus mode.
So exam was also conducted?
Yes, the exam is totally online based, which is conducted through Google Classroom with the
Google Classroom.
supervision of faculties also.
Okay. But sir, can you brief the other facilities available by university?
Yes, we have 24/7 library facilities. Students can access all the books, e-journals, e-papers, all kind of reading materials, so it's completely accessible by the students. As well as we have guitar facility, where if some student is interested in their own startup after graduation, if some student is interested in starting up their own business, then also we have this dedicated guitar facility, where the student can get enrolled in that, and then he or she will be taught regarding the how to expand business, how to start business with minimum requirements. right? So also we we teach them regarding the patents, how to acquire patents, and what are the other innovations possible. So student will get entire idea regarding the whole startup thing. So the idea behind this Guitar Council is that we train our students for their own startups.
So how this GSFC university is different from the other universities as far as learning process methodology is concerned?
Yes, sir. In GSFC University, whatever the faculty staff we are having, that those are completely as per the UGC regulations. So each and every faculty has done PhD in their respective areas, which is the most prime requirement for any faculty, right? And also we are offering, as I said, industrial internships at end of each semester, which is our USP. No other private universities are offering this much higher number of student internships. So that is our USP compared to other private universities. And whatever the faculties we recruit over here for teaching the students, those are also well experienced and coming from the well reputed institutes like NITs, IITs, MS University Baroda. We only recruit the well trained and well experienced faculties for that.
Can you please tell me about the fee structure for this course?
Yes, sir. For the BSc program and MSc program, whatever the dedicated fee structure is there, that is available on the website, and also in this brochure you will find the all the details regarding the admission process. What type of documents you need to submit, like if you are interested in BSc, then what are the required documents, school leaving certificate, HSC mark sheet, all that details are furnished in the brochure also as well as on the website. So you can refer there. Even for the hostel facilities and canteen mess facilities also, fee structure is available on the website. So you can refer that.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.